Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with an LED illuminated star in the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition, brushed aluminum running boards, a ginger beige Ambitex interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, hopping in, push start ignition. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you front and rear sensors and a surround view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 29,833 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.